Hello everyone, here is CryptoToti, the latest crypto guru. If you want to learn how to lose money in crypto, here is the best place to be. I'm not a financial advisor, I don't contact no one, I just do it as a hobby. So let's start with Bitcoin. As we see, since middle of January until end of January, we have a falling of the price of 70%. So 20%, that means we all the longs with X5 got liquidated, so 20% is 77. So this should be the good point. So if this is going 77 like that, and this point doesn't go below 16, maybe will fall, pretty sure, but not 50, we'll have a very good. So what happened? What happened? In a moment. It will be an hidden bullish or strong bullish. I don't remember what, but I think a strong bullish divergence because the price is going lower than the RSI. So if this is happening, we can have an Fibonacci from here until here, let's say, and we can have again to retest this point, and if we have luck, we can go until this point. What else we can say? This is just a scenario, but from the latest from here until here, so we touch 113 and we touch 123. So we can still have 14 and 1618. So let's see how the things will come in the next day. So if we have gone 4 hours, you will look like the price has come back a little bit. Let's see how much. If we can go, you can use also here the Fibonacci from the latest point. So you see here they reach already 2. If we go to this direction, we can take the latest one. So first time taking from here. So I want to have a Fibonacci, not okay, like that. So he reached already 0236 and is close above. So we can have a return of the price until this area. If we take this and we put it like that, we see it's go until 0.5 and here you can go down, and or if we can have luck to go in this direction. Of course, we cannot see the future, but we can say exists a chance to come back to 108. And if we look on 108 and we go from the top, so we go from the top because this is the low which is lower than here. So we have until 05, 0786. It's gone until 0382. We come back a little bit, and after that it's going until here. And it's now it's come back to 0236, but has not managed to move above 0236. We had here a trying to 0382, and now it's gone fall normal. We should go above normal. If we say this price is go above the 0236, normal we should go on 0786, but it look like has not worked like that. So how much from here until here? So it's around 20%. So this is the idea, and from here until here, it's around 15%. So if the price is not going more than 20%, the most probable it will fall down. So this 20% plus minus is exactly X5. So this X5 futures, long and short, are liquidated. Depends how many are in the market. Yeah, sometimes are more shorts, sometimes are less shorts. We don't know. We don't know this exactly value. Exist some sites which give you, but this information is not, my point of view, free. So we just guess we'll have a good pullback of the market. If we look here, you see the price from here is a little bit up comparing us here, yeah. And if we take this point from here with this point from here, we have also on the 4-hour, we have this should be and hidden bullish. But yes, we can have bullish, but how much? So let's say, okay, everyone gets scared, they want to go short. So if we want to go x10, so it's here. Prices come back exactly in the last point. So before last point, if we go to x20, is 5%. So if we want to go more, 20 is here. So it looks like it's respecting these x values. As a long distance, let's look on the long distance, let's say 1 week, to delete these lines for 1 week because it doesn't help us. So we go like that. So here we have prices like that, and here it's like that. This is like that, and this is like that. So theoretic is a strong, double strong. It's not double hidden, yeah, double hidden when it's the price is not going low than before. So we have a double hidden. Let's see what the future will say. So if we take the latest from here, we reach 113, and after that we go down and go 1648 and 2 Fibonacci. I don't believe this is good value, but let's say we have here, we are on logarithmic, yes. And if we go to these settings, we should have some settings, Fibonacci level on the basis scale. So this is looking now is looking better. So we reach 1.4 Fibonacci. Theoretic we should have 1.6, but it looked like at this moment was not possible in this period. Let's delete this, and if we say this is the maximum, this is the maximum. I choose the wrong. So from here, this is the maximum. So we barely managed to 0.236. Yeah. So if we take out from the logarithmic, we reach 0.382. But for the moment, after the price should go below this point to see the next values. Yeah, and the next values, the 0.76 is 24. Yeah, and if we look without logarithmic, 0.786 is 39. Okay, so between 24 and 39 we should have a minimum, if will come. Depends how many people they are on the futures. If they want get scared, they say, okay, the market will not go up or go down and everyone is going short. Pretty sure nobody will see this coming. So let's see in the next period. So how we see when the RSI is very low, here is the price is not going low than the last point. So we should have a pullback in the near future. We don't know how much, but we can have this, yeah, we know this like M, yeah, it can go here and after that go again down. And maybe and this time we can go reach this point, and after that we'll see what will happen with the rest of the points. So I come back to this and I will delete this line. So if the price is going back, we need to go from the last point until this, so we can have maximum 116. if this is 167, this is the good value for the rally. But if the money doesn't come in market, we cannot see this rally. So we can have this point between 100 and 105 if the price is remaining here. If the price is becoming low, the situation will get a little bit so if we have the price, it will be on weekly like that. Yeah, is the RSI is anyway very low, so the most probable we can see, you see the RSI is very rarely on this high on weekly, so low. So the most probable is not possible to have lower. So pretty sure we'll have here and come back of the price, and after that will be low. So maybe we'll come back to 50, and after that we go lower 40. So let's see, because if this is going down and this is going like that, we have no situation for to come back to the bullish situation. If this price is here, for example, yeah, and after that this price is here, anyway you have the last point. So the only things when you see is this is like that, and this is like that, yeah, and here this is here, yeah, and this is here, yeah, and this somehow like that, and here is this is here, yeah. So only in this situation we can see a recovering of the price. So let's see what will happen in the next, here we mean weeks, so 50 weeks. So from here 50 bar, so the here another 50, 100 bar. So here is 2 years. Okay, in 2 years we can have a lot, we can go up and down. Let's see. The Ethereum, also the Ethereum we are in the same situation. It has fallen until 2,700. Now it look like it's one a little back, like I told in the last time. We have here the big consolidation. If we have a big consolidation, let's say from here until here, and we go back to the logarithmic. So 1.618 is 13,000. What happened in the last one? We had 1.4. So if now we have 1.4 in Bitcoin, so now we can have 1.3 in Ethereum, no? As the last cycle, the 1.618 was reached around 66,000. So if we look here, 1.4 is 10,000. Yeah, doesn't look bad. So if we take the minimum until here, 0.76 1,200, and if we go in the direction without logarithmic, okay, without logarithmic, 0.786 is 1,700. So let's see, go back to logarithmic. So we have the chance to see the on this point we have chance to see this Ethereum in this direction. So if the price will fall before this point and the RSI will not fall, we'll have like that. We can have, so this is the good price to, so it exists a risk that if the market is not good, to see the price below this point. So if we go from this point until here, to reach these levels, yeah, is a little bit dangerous for this, and if you go too low, everyone will buy. So we need to be careful how much it will go. But if it's reaching 1,500 and it's taking 10,000, we have 6 like last time, like this time the Bitcoin has done. So we hear on next week. Thank you.